This is the official Seelen UI website where it can be downloaded from. It's also available on Microsoft Store if you want to get it from there. The installer is straightforward, it'll install in no time, and won't take that much space at all. What's cool about Seelen UI is that the applied theme works as an overlay above the desktop and won't modify any Windows components, Explorer or Registry. After it's been installed, simply run the Seelen UI app, and it'll take effect. As you can see, Seelen UI layout is similar to Ubuntu Linux and Mac OS. Bottom dock works as the regular taskbar. It also hides when a maximized window is active. System tray has been moved to the top bar. The theme can be customized by using the Seelen UI app. It offers in-depth customizability and the ability to add some custom content. A lot of elements can be tweaked or fine-tuned. It even has its own custom shortcuts. It can be uninstalled directly, just like any other program. Since it doesn't modify any system files, it won't break anything when it gets uninstalled. Just make sure to reset the taskbar behavior settings, and that's it.